Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today I am explain or summarize the chapter Advia. Okay, it is the second part, and if you want to see the first part of this chapter, so go to the channel and watch out the playlist. In the playlist you have to get the first part of this chapter. Okay, so let's start this video. In the previous video you have to know about that there is a family who reached at the in a Afghanistan. There two peoples are calling him, and they were afraid, and after the afraid they entered in the cars and closing window and the doors of the cars. And what will be happen next, so you have to listen carefully and watch out the video till end. Okay, so automatically I reached out for the handle. My hand trembled as I turned it rapidly. My eyes were fixed on the face of the man, and I did not notice the glass moving down as I turned the handle in the wrong direction. The man thrust his hands forward. By that time, I had realized my mistake and started raising the window glass. The glass inched up slowly, painfully. Then, from behind the agitated man, the other one emerged. He threw himself at my door and tried to hit at the window pane with the fist. Okay, so next both all the family will enter in the cars and try to close the window and doors. Okay, but here the condition of Pooja is very bad. Why? Because she was completely afraid to seeing that guys, that both person, and seeing this situation she closed the door, and his hand trembled means vibrate with the fears, and turned it rapidly, and his eyes fixed on the both person. Okay, the person who has coming toward the cars, and at the last she can see that when she turned the handle, that was the wrong direction. She is not turned in a right direction, and the man thrust his hands forward. By that time, the another person is also coming near the car's window, and that there is the mistake has been happened by the Pooja. So she realized his mistake and started to raising the window glass. Okay, then from behind the agitated piece excited man, the other man emerged, and he threw himself on the door. Okay, and tried to hit the door and wide pan with his fist. You can see here in the figures a person use his fist and wanted to hit the window pane. Okay, so next you can see here no window pane. He hit me almost, and the Pooja thought that what she thought that they were not hit the window pane, they wanted to hit Pooja. Okay, then grabbing my arms he pushed himself forward, and with his bloodshot eyes flashing at me he roared, Advia, Advia, Advia. Okay, it means they looking to the Pooja and Pooja looking to them, and the Pooja feel that they are very aggressive, and his eyes were flashing. Okay, and they roared. What they roared? They roared, Advia, Advia. It is the Arabian word. Okay, I stared at him, unable to move or speak. All I could do was stare into the dusty bared face and listen to the voice that shouted over and over again, Advia, Advia, Lutfan Mara Dawa Biti. He shook my arms and reached inside the car with the other hand. Papa, I shrieked. Then next Pooja started him and unable to move or speak. It means Pooja only seeing both of the person and she is unable to say something. All I could do was stare into the dusty, and she watched both person and his dusty clothes, beard, face, and listening voice up. They shouted. What they shouted? They shouted, "Advia, Advia, Latfan Mara, Dawa Bite." Okay, it is the Arabian language, and they are louding, speak loudly again and again. And he shook his arms, shook Pooja's arms and reached inside the car with the other hands. Papa, then Pooja shrieked or cried loudly to the Papa, his fathers. Okay. Then I was thrown forward again, the back of the front seat, and bounced back again. The Dakuj was jerked forward. He released my arms but hung onto the window and the car gathered. Now you can see here. Then I was thrown the forward against the back of the front seat. Okay. Pooja threw his front seat as a back seat, and she bounced back again. And the Dakuj were jerked forward. And after the jerked forward, he released his arms. It means the person that was the crying loudly, they released the arms. They left the arms of the Pooja and hung onto the windows. The car gathered speed, fell into the rain beside, still holding on the window frame with his left hand. His dirty face bubbled up and down as he kept on running and shouting "Advia, Advia" over and over again. Okay, it means the car was starting now, and both other person left behind, and they started to cry loudly and loudly again and again, "Advia, Advia" words. Okay, and then his hands were gone, his hands, his face, and his voice. Our car sped along the unmetalled road, leaving behind a cloud of dust. Okay, the Pooja seeing the face of that person, both of the person, their face was very dirty. Okay, she left the face, she left the voice of that guys, and the car was sped along unmetalled road and leaving behind a cloud of the dust. Okay. Next, I did not turn to look back, but Sudhir did. He cried excitedly. We licked them, we shook them up, wow. Okay. After this accident, Pooja did not want to backside again. Why? Because she was very terrified of that guys. But in the car, her brother was very excited, and he telling to his fathers and others family. What he telling? He telling that they licked them. They licked them means they defeated them. And he also cried to his fathers, and he looked at me disdainfully. How dumb can you get, Pooja? And next he looking toward the Pooja and giving a bad feeling or bad kind of the statement, and telling him, how dumb can you get, and don't you know how to raise a window glass? And he scolded her. Why he scolded her? Because she could not close the Windows door glass. Okay, and stop picking on her, murmured my father. And now fathers stop to his son. Okay, and then these things do happen in such moment. But the Dakuj almost got her by the throats, shouted my brother. And now his father telling to his fathers that what he telling that he captured the throat of Pooja. Now everyone is shocked. His mother is also shocked, and then mumbled, "My brother," and shot lost this painful glance at me. He looked out of the window, then shook his head one more and cried, "We have licked them, Papa. You were great, and you got the car started in a few seconds." Those seconds had seemed an entirely. Okay, it means after a sometimes when everyone be silent, her brothers also cried again, and telling to his fathers, and with the disdainful glance, and what he telling that we are licked them, and he also praised his fathers that he was great. Okay, and those seconds had seemed at eternity to her. These guys continue, "My brother were out were out to get our watches and watch chains, but he shook them off. He licked them." Sudhir clapped his hands gleefully, but I was not pleased at all. In this, you can see here in the Pooja's brother was very excited to take the win of both guys. Okay, and he telling and praising again and again. The voice is still running through his head, Advia. But here the Pooja completely disturbed, and she is not very happy to lift all both person, and in his mind there are only one word is moving on and going on. What kind of the word? The word is Advia. Okay, then Pooja asked to his fathers. What she asked? "Pa," I said finally, after we had our dinner, "I would like to look up the word Advia. I wonder what it's mean." Advia, here is the Pooja suggested to his fathers after the taking the dinner. Okay, dinner means supper, night food, and after the taking the dinner, the Pooja suggested to his father, "Please father, I would like to look up the word Advia." Okay, I wonder what it means. It means she wanted to know the meaning of the word Advia. Then his brother, it means little brothers, who telling the meaning of the word Advia is hands up. Okay, hands up, it means raise your hand. Taking the last spoon of the kheer, they are taking the last spoon of the kheer, or "I will kill you." Okay, her brother telling the meaning of Advia means raise your hand, or "I will kill you," but it is not correct meaning. Sudhir pleaded, "My mother." Then Pooja's mother stopped to the Sudhir. My father returned from the bedroom with a thick dictionary. It did not take him long to find the word, but it took him almost a minute to read it. His face was pale and his eyes looked troubled as he said in a flat voice, "Advia means medicine." Okay, so here is the story turn, and the suspense is completely finished by his fathers. What is the suspense? When his Pooja suggested to his father that search out the meaning of Advia, his father go into the bedroom and take the dictionary. After the taking the dictionary, he search out the meaning of Advia. Okay, that dictionary was thin, but it took him almost a minute to read it. Okay, but when he searched out the meaning of Advia, his face completely pale means yellow, and his eyes looked troubled. Okay, and as he said in a flat voice, what he said? Advia means medicine. Okay, Advia means medicine. For a long time no one spoke. After the hearing the meaning of Advia, everyone be silent. The room was completely silent, and mother whispered. What the mother whispered? Oh my God, over and over again. And she repeat this word, oh my God, oh my God. Why? Because they felt sorry. Okay, I stared at her and at my brother and did what I had wanted to do all afternoon. I began to cry. After the hearing the meaning of Hadviya, the Pooja felt very sorry and she looked toward his father and brother, and he had wanted to do all afternoon, and she began to cry. She only cried to think about that situation. So this is the very heart touching story that written by the Sigron Srivastava. Okay, so it is very important wherever you have to go for the travel, then you have to take the knowledge, a little knowledge of that side. Okay, and you have to no judge. You cannot judge to look the look of the person or appreciation of the person or any condition. Okay, so I hope you all understand this story very well. We have to meet in the next video.